Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Workwhile app functions as a flexible job platform that connects workers to hourly gigs with next-day pay. If you're looking to earn extra money on your own schedule, this app might be something to consider. Workwhile is a mobile platform available in many major U.S. cities. It focuses on providing access to flexible, hourly work in industries like warehouse operations, logistics, sanitation, and delivery. Once you create an account and complete a brief onboarding, you can start browsing available shifts right from the app. Each job listing includes the pay rate, job description, and start time, so you can choose what fits your schedule. One of the key highlights of the app is its next-day pay feature. After completing a shift, you're usually paid the very next business day, making it convenient for people who need fast access to earnings. You can link your bank account directly or use supported pay services to receive your funds quickly. Additionally, the app offers flexibility with no long-term commitment, making it easy to pick up work as needed. Users report a mostly positive experience with the app. Many praise its simple interface and quick payment system. However, there are a few drawbacks. Jobs can be limited depending on your location, and technical glitches, especially related to clocking in or out, can sometimes affect your shift records. Some workers have also noted that customer support can be slow or unresponsive when issues arise with payments or shift confirmations. Overall, Workwhile is a solid option for gig workers seeking hourly employment without a fixed schedule. It's especially useful if you live in a larger city, where more opportunities are available. The app is easy to navigate and offers a quick turnaround for earnings. But like any platform, it's not perfect. If you want to explore flexible job options and don't mind occasional technical hiccups, Workwhile is worth checking out. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.